Hello learners, welcome to the channel Grammatastic. Today we are going to learn about articles and the proper usage of articles. So let us start the lesson. What are articles? The letters or words which define a noun or a pronoun under the category of non-specific or specific are known as articles. There are two types of articles. They are indefinite articles. A and an come under the category of indefinite articles. The second type is definite articles. The comes under the category of definite articles. Usage of the articles. We shall move in this topic one by one. So let us start with the first article, A. Where is the article A used? It is used before the noun starting with a consonant sound, used before the non-specific or countable noun, used before the noun denoting singular number, used before the noun starting with vowel U or E but having a consonant Y sound. Examples, a university. Here it starts with a vowel U, but the sound of U is Y-O-U. So it is a university. A cow, a boy, a book, a vegetable, a movie, a phone, a unicorn. Again, the same rule is applied here. It is starting with U, but it is having the sound of Y, that is Y-O-U. A candy, a policeman. So quickly, I'm recapitulating the usage. A is used before the noun starting with a consonant sound. A is used before the non-specific or countable noun. A is used before the noun denoting singular number. A is used before the noun starting with vowel U or E but having a consonant Y sound. The next article is the article an. An is used before the noun starting with a vowel sound. We all know there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, but sometimes we also focus on the vowel sound. Used before the non-specific countable noun. Used before the noun denoting singular number. Used before the noun starting with silent H. Example, an hour. Here, the word is starting with H, but H is silent and the sound of O is prominent. So we are using an here. An egg, an orphan, an inkpot, an umbrella, an idiot, an owl, an answer, an event, an illusion. So recapitulating once again, an is used before the noun starting with a vowel sound. An is used before the non-specific or countable noun. An is used before the noun denoting singular number. And an is used before the noun starting with silent H. Coming to the third article, but before that, we are going to have a look on some of the examples which has a and an in it. The cricket match won by India has been a historical event. Here, the article A is used before historical. The program will resume in an hour. Here, H is silent. My brother took admission in a university. Here, U has the sound of U, Y-O-U. I have taken an umbrella as it might rain. Will you pause for a while and think? The United Kingdom is a European country. Again, a European because E has the sound of U, Y-O-U. Roman is an Irishman. Moving on to the next article, the. The is used before a specific person or object. Here, along with the rules, I am also citing examples to understand it in a better way. She lives in the red mansion at the seaside. So here the underlined words are talking about the specific person or specific object. Used to refer something already mentioned earlier. Example, she has a beautiful dress. The dress is made of silk. So in the first sentence, we have already mentioned the word dress. So when we start writing the second sentence, we are using the article the. Used before superlatives and ordinal numbers. We all know what are superlatives and ordinal numbers. Superlatives are the comparison of adjectives, and ordinal numbers are numbers like first, second, third, fourth, etc. MS Dhoni is the best player of Indian cricket. So here, best is a superlative, and therefore we have used the article the. My friend won the first position in the competition. First is an ordinal number, so we have used the. Moving on to the next rule. Used to refer a group of people. For example, the elders in the town are very open-minded. So here, elders are a group of people to whom we are referring. Used to refer a part of a large group. This image is created by one of the artists sitting here. So in the group, in the large group, there might be many artists, and among those artists, one artist has been highlighted here. So we have used the. Used before inhabitants of a country. Example, the Britishers live in England. The Indians are academically smart. The next rule is used before nature. For example, the sun, the earth, the sky, the stars. Used before names of holy books. The Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib. Used before the names of monuments. Example, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Eiffel Tower is worth seeing. Moving on to the next. Used before important positions and titles. Like the president, the prime minister, the queen, the king, etc. Used before names of musical instruments. The violin, the guitar, the harmonium. Used before the countries with plural names. The United States of America, the Netherlands. So any country which ends with S, the article the is used before it. Moving on to the next group, the names of directions: the east, the west, the north, the south. Words such as last and next, the last phase, or the next candidate. Used before the geographical nouns: rivers, seas, mountain chains. Remember, mountain chains, not mountains. Group of islands, desert. Examples: the Mount Everest, the Himalayas, the Thames, the Arabian Sea, the Canary Islands. These are all groups. The Sahara. It is not used before names of countries, lakes, cities, and streets. So remember this point. Whenever you use the, do not use it before the names of countries, lakes, cities, and streets. With countries, you can only use the if it is ending with a plural noun, if it is ending with a S. So I hope you understood the rules. I shall be coming back again with a new topic. Till the time, you keep on practicing. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet you soon with a new topic. Thank you.